Good morning and welcome to another video. I'm already quite toasty. I'm testing my new winter gloves. Managed to get it online on offer. I think they were like 20 quid cheaper than standard price. So time will tell. I think it's -1 right now and I'm pretty comfortable riding in them. Yep. Ladies and gentlemen, mid-end lane with a steady climb of 3 kilometers. Unfortunately, the elevation is not showing its original figures. The weather changed within blink of an eye. You can see still some reminiscence of ice on the road as we are entering Peak District. Gonna have to reverse now and head back home. This is getting quite dangerous right now to go further. Don't want to risk it. Pretty gusty tonight. In fairness, I don't know where this wind come from, as I wasn't expecting it, these conditions, but well, it's a Peak District. I'll be home by the sunset, so okay, not the end of the world. There'll be some more opportunities. And we're back on the job truck, heading back to Leek. Pretty short and sweet ride this afternoon. Been dry throughout the whole day. Just over an hour of a ride, and my hands are in full dexterity right now. So 49.99, which is pretty okay for decent pair of winter gloves. No numb fingers, so okay. I can easily operate my brakes, gears. These are totally recommended. So I'll catch you in my next episode.